Hello guys, welcome to my video about healthy food choices. My name is Fred, and we are going to help you walk through this. So watch to the very end for a clear and concise guide to getting healthier for 2024. So as you can see here, we have a multitude of different options when it comes to food. Some not so healthy and some, well, healthy. Now, what I'm going to show you here is some healthy habits that you should get in on this year for a more healthy lifestyle for 2024 and beyond. So first, what we are going to want to do is get some exercise. Then eat a balanced diet, get sufficient sleep, stay hydrated. Limit screen time, or at least be mindful of it. Socialize with friends and family. Adopt a growth mindset and spend time in nature. So that is 13 healthy habits to start daily. For a healthier lifestyle, we will cover these over the next videos in this series. But for now, that is all. Please subscribe to this channel if you are interested in being healthier. But for now, have a good day and see you soon.